Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can exactly fix GPU configurations warning in DaVinci Resolve 20. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open DaVinci Resolve setting. You just need to click on gear icon. So here you can see we have a couple of options in here. So you just need to go to the bottom and then click this gear icon. Once you click over here, then you will get this kind of a pop-up. So now you just need to go to the master setting. Once you come over here, then you just need to find it out memory and GPU options. So here, let's say where is the memory and GPU options. You just need to scroll down until you find it out. So here you just need to go over here, and then this one, you just need to find that GPU problem, and then you just need to change it little bit, and then you just need to enable discrete GPU. If your laptop resolve by default to the integrated GPU, you just need to switch to manual, then select your NVIDIA or AMD GPU under the drop down. Like here you can see, if you come over here to general options, or you can go to the here, you will get to see a couple of things. So from that place you can find out a couple of things. You just need to understand it wisely, and then it is set up wisely for you. Now let's talk about update GPU driver. You just need to go to the NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest driver for your GPU and install it and restart your PC. Reopen DaVinci Resolve and the warning should be gone. Let me give you a bonus tip like Windows graphics setting. You just need to open Windows setting, then go to the system like this way. Just click over here, then go to the setting, and then find it out the system options in here, then again go to the display, and then you will find out the graphic option. You just need to go over here, and then you just need to click browse. Here you will see that, and then select DaVinci Resolve and set it high performance. So you can do it that one. So here you can see this one is the high performance. So similarly you just need to do your things with the DaVinci Resolve, also DaVinci, and you just need to add this app in here. Once then you can easily do it. That's it for today. Now you know how your GPU configuration warning should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.